One is the solubility of the gases in the liquids. So generally all gases are soluble in this water as well as the liquids to the greater or lesser extent. All type of the gases are soluble in the water or other solvents or other liquids to the greater or lesser extent. But how these factors affecting on the solubility of the gases in the liquids? Then see the first one is the nature of gas and solvent. The nature of gas and solvent also affect the solubility of the gases in the liquids. Then see the generally easily compressible gases are highly soluble in these liquids. Then what is easily compressible gases? For example, CO2 is there. CO2 is highly soluble in the CO2 is easily compressible gas or easily liquefiable gas or easily compressible gas. That's why CO2 is highly soluble in water than H2 and O2. Compared with hydrogen and oxygen, here carbon dioxide is highly soluble in the water. Why means here CO2 is easily compressible gas or highly liquefiable gas. That is one of the point. Then next one point, the gases which are able to form the ions when dissolving in these liquids. The gases which are able to form the ions when it is dissolved in this liquid, the type of the gases also soluble in these liquids. Here, the gases are able to form the ions when dissolving in these liquids. The type of the gases are easily soluble in these liquids. Example, HCl and ammonia. Here HCl is dissolved in the liquid water. What happens? It forms the H3O plus ion and Cl minus ion. Like that, ammonia dissolved in this water H2O gas. Ammonia gas dissolved in the water. Then what happens to form NH4 plus and OH minus. So the gases are able to form the ions when it is dissolved in the liquid. This type of the gases also highly soluble in this liquid. The gases are highly soluble in this liquid. So that is about the nature of the gas and the solvents. Then next one is the effect of the temperature on the solubility of the gases in the liquids. Then see the generally the solubility of the gases in the liquids. Solubility of the gases in the liquids is the exothermic process. Means the gases is dissolving in the solvent to form the solution and also release some amount of heat. So that's why the gases are generally dissolved in the liquid. It releases some amount of heat. That's why it is a exothermic process. So during the exothermic process, according to the Le-Chatelier principle, so to this equilibrium state, if temperature increases for the exothermic process, temperature increases, the solubility of gas in liquid decrease. So here temperature increases, the solubility of the gases in the liquids is decreased. Why here temperature increases, solubility of the gas in liquid is decreased? Because of if the temperature increases, the gas particles are usually expelled out. That's why its solubility is decreased. Understood what I said? If temperature increases, the gas particles are usually expelled out from the liquid. That's why the solubility of the gases in the liquid is decreased with increasing temperature. That is explained by a small example. You take two soda bottles. This is one soda water. This is another soda water. Both are at the equal temperature. After that, one of the soda bottle and this one soda bottle, both are kept in the deep fridge. So this is and this one is both are kept in the deep fridge up to half an hour. After half an hour, so this bottle is kept in the presence of sunlight. It is kept in the presence of sunlight. This one is kept in the cooling water. So in the presence of sunlight, here temperature is more. In cooling water, higher temperature is left. After half an hour, here also after half an hour, then open this bottle. After half an hour, open this bottle, both bottles. From which bottle the gas is, more amount of the gas is dissolved? In first one beaker and second beaker, more amount of gas is dissolved. Because here temperature is more na, so the temperature is more means the gas is usually expelled out. That's why the solubility of the CO2 in this water is less. Here temperature is more, temperature is less na, so less temperature means the solubility of the CO2 in the water is more. Okay, that's why in this water, in this first one beaker, the CO2, the solubility of the carbon dioxide in the first one beaker is more. Here solubility of the CO2 in the second one beaker is less. Why means here temperature is more, solubility of the CO2 is less. Here temperature is less, solubility of the CO2 is more. So that's why the temperature increases, solubility of the gas in the liquid is decreased because of the gas particles are expelled out from the liquids if increase the temperature. That is about the effect of temperature. Then next one is pressure. Then next one is how to affect the pressure on the solubility of the gas in the liquids. So generally the pressure increases, the solubility of the gas in the liquid is increases. See here I will explain one small example. So this is a beaker water. Here also I am taking the beaker water. Here this is liquid, this is gas. Here pressure is W gram weight. Again, here gas particles. These are liquid particles. Here also this is liquid. So this is gas particles. Here weight is W 1 gram. Again W 2 grams. Means here weight increase means here pressure of the gas on the surface of the liquid is here only W gram weight. That's why pressure of the gas on surface of the liquid is less. Less means the less number of the gas particles are enter into the liquid. That's why the solubility of the gas in the liquid is decreased. But here weight is more na. Weight more means here gas pressure on the surface of the liquid what happens is increase. Whenever the pressure on the surface of the liquid increases, so at the time the more amount of more number of the gas particles are enter into this liquid. Whenever the more amount of gas particles are enter into the liquid, the solubility of the gas in this liquid is increased. That's why pressure is less, solubility of the gas in the liquid is less. Pressure is more, solubility of the gases in the liquid is more. So that's why the pressure increases on the surface of the liquid. The pressure of the gas on surface of the liquid is increases. The solubility of the gas in the liquid is increases. So that is about the pressure effect. Then next one is the relation between the pressure and the solubility of the gas in the liquid is explained by the Henry's law. That is the next one concept.